What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a great week. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Blackapino the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to do just a quick overview of a new security camera that I just bought. This here is the Blink X2. This, I believe, is from Amazon. This is a wireless security camera, and the reason why I bought this was battery life. This has a 2-year battery life on it. So basically it comes with a lithium ion battery that you simply just insert into the camera, and then you set it up, and that's how it works. And it comes with what is known as a sync hub that requires you to plug it in to an external power source so that it can link with the camera as well as to the cloud services that the Blink offers. Now this camera does offer two-way audio, so that you are capable of talking to your whoever it is that the camera picks up, as well as obviously the two-year battery life, and it has the ability to do motion detection, so you can actually go into the app and you can create little motion sections where you want the camera to pick that up, record that, and you save it. And you can also determine where you want the motion to pick up, where you don't want to, as well as it having infrared capabilities. By that I mean that it is capable of doing night vision up to a certain amount of feet. And again, when you create your zones, it will pick up whatever you have within those zones that you want it to pick up, and it will record that for a specific amount of time. And it does hold up to 7,200 seconds worth of video that's recorded in the cloud for up to a year. And by that, then basically meaning that in the app you have the ability to create a certain amount of length of clip that you want it to record, from 5 seconds to 60 seconds worth of recording, depending on how you want to have it set. The higher the amount of seconds you want it to record, the shorter it can drain your battery. I just set mine up yesterday, and I have mine set for about 15 seconds worth of recordings. So basically anything that I have set in a zone that I have created, any motion that's picked up, it will record that for 15 seconds. Anything in that motion that stops, it will automatically stop recording that, and it won't pick that up. So that's really a cool thing that you can do with this, is that it will stop recording unless there's motion, as opposed to continuously recording even though there's nothing there. That is actually a big deal when it comes to wanting to do your video, or when it comes to saving your recordings. And again, with this you get no monthly fees, as with like the Nest and the Arlo. You have to pay a monthly fee in order to save the videos. This gives you 7,200 seconds worth of cloud storage that you can save, and you can actually, from the app, you can actually download it to your phone, or you can share it amongst your other social medias, or even with friends, depending on the app that you're using. So that also is a good thing. And that's all I really want to talk to you about. This was just this. We'll also be doing an unboxing of it, and then I'll just kind of show you quickly how the app is used, and kind of what it looks like, and then that's it. So we're going to get into the unboxing now. Alright, as you can see, we have ourselves the Blink, and we're just going to pop this open really quick. Got my box knife. And just going to slide this up. And that is the camera itself. Looks like it's pretty small. The camera doesn't really do it justice as to how small it is, but this is my hand. It's a pretty sizable hand. That is how big the camera is. That's the camera. That's the infrared sensor for the that's going to be the infrared sensor for the night vision. You've got your audio and your talk and your mic. So there's that. And then on the back, that's how you use to flip up and remove the battery when you need to replace the battery. Again, this has 2 years worth of battery life, depending on how you're doing your setup. It's not pretty bad, actually. So you just basically lift that down, pop that up, put it into batteries, and then that's that. So we'll put that over there. And then This is part of the mount. This is the top half, so it's pretty simple. Comes with 2 screws, so literally all you have to do is you just take the screw, pop it in like that, you line them up, and then where you want to put it, you just screw in the hole, and that's pretty much it. Doesn't really move a lot. It seems to be pretty stuck in place, but depending on how you move it or how you have it placed, you can literally just, kind of, if you want to angle it that way or keep it straight or angle it down, that's pretty much how that works. Now you can get different mounts for these. I've seen them before. Amazon has them as well as Best Buy. So if you want to get like a different mount other than this, you can actually do that for these. Amazon has like a 3-pack at like $14. So again, that's not too bad. You've obviously got the 2 screws that come with it. So you just, simple 4-head screws that you just mount. So come on, camera, focus. And yeah, so there's that. Then you get the 2 obviously lithium ion batteries that you just plug in, or that you just insert into the camera. And then it looks like you get some reading material for this, and obviously one of those security warning things where like, hey, my house is protected by whatever. So there's that. And then it looks like you get a micro USB, so you can charge up the camera itself also with a micro USB if you have it set for indoors and not outdoors. So you can do that also. It doesn't seem like it's pretty long cord, but it looks like it's just a simple, micro USB. So pretty much any micro USB obviously will work with these since it's just a cord. And then you get this is what you use to communicate with the Blink camera. This is the hub itself, and this you plug in with this, and then you simply just power it with this. So basically you have a USB for, I'm not exactly sure what the USB is for, since I won't be using anything what would require me to do that, but this is the main hub itself. So basically what you do is you would take this, take the power cord with this along with the micro USB, and then you would just micro USB. You take these 2, and move this out of the way, makes it a little easier. So you would just take your hub along with that, along with your micro USB, and that's how that works. So this is the complete set itself. That is exactly what you're looking at when you get the Blink itself. Is just a little bit more so that the camera can get in focus. But yes, this is pretty much everything you get with the Blink. Like I said, it's pretty simple to set up. That you just remove the back, pull it down, insert the 2 batteries, set that on that, figure out where you want to put it, then you mount it where you want to mount it. You take this, you plug this into this along with the supplied micro USB, and that's generally it. You just download the app, you set it up with the app, and then that's how that works. It's pretty simple. Should take you maybe about a half hour. I doubt it would take an hour depending on where you want to put it. And again, you don't have to use this mount that comes with it. You can actually go and buy different mounts for these. I believe Best Buy has some, but you're better off going to Amazon and getting one from them, as it's an Amazon company that owns that does the Blink. So they're going to have mounts that you can get for these, and that's it. So again, all I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, and then later on I'll just kind of do a camera review, just kind of showing you how easy it is to use the app and what the app shows you, the camera quality. Right now it's just the unboxing and showing you what that is, and that's pretty much it. So again, this is Black Pino the Apple Guy, and I want to thank everybody for watching. If this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, that way you'll never miss new content when I drop it. And I do drop content once every other Thursday. So thank you and have a good week.